Model, 2006 Ford Transit 2.0TDi 85PS 260S short wheelbase, low roof 65k low miles excellent runner. Body, blue, panel van. Mileage, 65,212. Engine, 1998 cc 2.0TD. Transmission, 5-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs perfect. Gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. Pulls in every gear. This is just failed its MOT on X3 pieces of welding and a couple of bulbs, still starts and drives brilliantly. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is in decent, average condition. Rear load area is in decent, average condition, genuine honest work van. Features, 2 keys. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 0740 1